what can we do and what have you seen the most successful businesses do to retain all of this historical knowledge so that we don't go and have to do this whole case study every single year when we forget?
Yeah, it sounds like you've done that before.
I might be speaking from experience.
Yeah, I'm right with you there. It's a forever forgetful process because we'll call it tribal knowledge, seems to travel around the organization and out the door and to somewhere else. And that tribal knowledge never and almost ever gets recorded. So it leads us to the work management area. For one, when organizations use a work management system to document and record activity that goes on within an organization, this now becomes a part of their historical record, in which allows future activity such as root cause analysis or decision making on make versus buy or replacement or rebuild. All of these key components to decision making needs to be a part of historical records within the CMMS system. When if work is done, we're going to close it out. We're not just going to say work done. We're going to record what work has been done, when it was done, all the material, everything associated with it. And I know it might be inherent to technicians that hadn't worked in the past in CMMS systems or have not had a good system to work with. They just seem to think that we just close it out and it's done, and or there's no process in place to do these, or there's no quality control in place to assure that it's being done. So a good start in your CMMS system is getting this information recorded. I hear a lot, organizations and people within organizations, well, if it's a quick fix, we don't need to put that in the system. And I said, well, wait a minute. Let's have a little discussion about your idea of a quick fix. And if I'm going to go change a light bulb, you could call that a quick fix. But if I'm going to go out and make an adjustment, that's not a quick fix. Even though it might not take long, that adjustment means something. It may not mean something today, but maybe a week from now, a month from now, a year from now, that adjustment could be leading up to something. So the first place is getting this information recorded in a system. And you mentioned RCAs and those kind of activities. In the past, a lot of this activity, and still in today's time, all of these root cause analysis, is a lot of companies will say, well, 5 whys are simple and easy, and just let the guys do it on the fly. Okay, but it could lead to something bigger another day. So where are we going to record that? Oh, we don't keep a record of that. Either that or the guys keep it on their desktop, or they keep it in some folder somewhere in their desk, or they keep it on the shelf. And really, one of the biggest evolutions lately with push towards data management, Industry 4.0, going digitalization, we're in a different world today. And that different world is about documentation. It's about understanding where things are, how things are done. Things are being done procedurally, and there's a process, and there's a system, and there's a way to do it. And one of the things we're doing over here is we've created a tool called Investigation Optimizer. And this is the historian for all RCAs. We're going to call them investigations because it's not necessarily only equipment related or reliability related. It could be quality related. It could be HSE related. It could be a vehicle incident within an organization. It could be a lot of things associated with investigation.